Hello and welcome to our virtual fire side chat. My name is Sandhu.
And I'm Thila Vijayan. Now, if you have been looking for the answers about life, the universe and everything else, you have come to the right place.
That's right, Thila. The answer is obviously
42 KL.
So right now on this screen, you are probably going to be seeing a challenge. Now, let's see if you know the answer in 10 seconds. What follows next?
Time's up. Let's reveal the answer.
Oh, that was interesting. That was tough. So anyways, let's reveal the answer.
So how many of you guessed it right? Imagine doing all of these challenges and then realizing that this is actually the first step into thinking like a software engineer.
And this is how 42KL works. We put you through an intensive admissions process, which is absolutely free for you to test. Maybe you have those hidden talents that you can learn programming and coding, all through simple games like this. So maybe we should start with some basic FAQs, shall we?
Yes, so many of you have been asking us a lot of different kind of questions and we decided to start a Q&A session. Now this is going to be interesting. We are trying to make this as fun as possible. So today's Q&A session will be a rapid fire session. Now we have collected all of the different questions from all of our social media pages and we are going to answer each one of them in less than 20 seconds.
Yep, and if we get this wrong, you will hear this sound. Now, the reason why we're doing this in less than 20 seconds is because we just really want to go home and sleep. It's been a month, a year, a decade,
decades.
my life.
Okay, so I have some questions in my hand. So the first person who's gonna go is Jeff. So you have the question number 1. What are the requirements to join 42KL?
Absolutely nothing. You just have to be 18 years and above. You only need to know how to use a mouse and a keyboard, and you can register at 42kl.edu.my.
Woohoo!
Yes.
Oh, that was magic!
All right, Thila, now's your turn.
Oh no.
Is this an online program?
Absolutely not. This is completely not an online program. We do have an online admission test, but everything else is going to be physical. You will be invited to the physical campus for the entire program. Okay, Jeff, next question. Question number 3. I'm not in KL, so how?
Oh, this is the famous question that I've been getting all month long. Well, sadly, if you're not in KL, you can perhaps maybe try out again next year. We do have plans to expand in other states, but for now, you have to be able to attend our campus here in Sunway City at Future X building, which is just 5 minutes walk from Sunway University. Oh no!
You're out, Jeff, you're out.
All right, Thila, what is a piscine?
Oh, piscine. Now, if you know French, you would know that the piscine stands for the word swimming pool. Now, just imagine I throw you into the swimming pool, you figure out how to survive. Now, so the piscine itself is a boot camp of 28 days and you have to figure out your way to code.
Not bad.
Okay, so next question, Jeff. So, how long is the program?
Oh, well, the program, as Thila mentioned, the Piscine is 28 days. If you are successful, you are able to enroll for our 12 months core program. And what happens during this 12 months is you level up from level 1 all the way up to level 7, where we will then send you out for an industry placement. And in this 12 months, you'll learn the best of the best. No!
Oops!
12 months. I should have just gone with 12 months. It's 12 months. End of story. Don't need too long, Jeff. You need to go home. Home. Home.
By the way, it's up to level 21 after you've done level 7.
Anyways, Thila,
Okay.
what am I going to be learning?
Oh, wait, shoot, it's my time. All right.
All right, Thila. Now I'm going to get you back because this is going to be a tough one. What am I going to be learning?
Wow. All right. So if you get selected, you will start from very basic lines of code. Now, as you level up, everything becomes more and more difficult. So you have to start working on different kinds of projects where you learn multiple different languages, but focus on certain languages in the very beginning of the steps. Now, then you might be doing Unix programming, kernel, and buzz.
All right.
Okay.
I think it's my
It's your
turn.
turn. Yeah.
all right.
So let's go. Next one. So this is a popular question among a lot of the social media users, is that I have a full-time job. Can I apply?
Yes, absolutely. All you need to be able to commit to is the Piscine, which is 28 days, non-stop, including weekends. But beyond that, the curriculum is absolutely flexible. So come in after your work and perhaps maybe you could spend a couple of hours. The minimum is about 30 hours per week. So I'm sure we all could do it.
Yeah. Oops.
No!
You could not live with your own failure.
Right, up.
Well, Thila, I think this is the second most popular question that we've been receiving. I'm studying full-time. Can I apply?
Now, okay, that's a difficult question indeed. Now, if you're studying full-time, we think that it might not be the best for you to apply. Find a time or maybe take some time off from your education and come and join us at 42KL. Now, you have to be able to commit at least about 35 to 40 hours a week in order for you to be able to really do well in this program.
Whoa, he made it!
On the dot.
On the dot. We might have to go to some replay just to check and see if his lips actually shut at 0.0.
I wasn't cheating.
We'll go through some replays.
Okay, so this is a question that I really like because it's going to blow your mind when Jeff attempts to answer it.
Oh no.
Okay, so will I receive a certificate?
Oh, absolutely. You will receive a digital certificate that has all the projects that you've worked on. If you played any games, you would have seen like a sort of a character map where you have different kinds of skills. That's what we will be providing you. And your future employer will be able to actually view and test some of the things that you've built here in 42KL.
I'm mind blown.
This is a good one. So am I just going to be learning everything about being a software engineer then?
Totally not. So if you think that you're just coming here to learn about programming, just scrape that off your mind. Now, it's the entire pedagogy of 42KL is about learning how to communicate with everyone else. It's about peer-to-peer learning, about how you teach someone else, and also analyze someone else's code. So you
It is 2-2!
Champions again!
But I think there is one more question.
Okay, we have one last question, the bonus question.
All right, okay.
Now, the bonus question says, I think it's something that is already in all of your mind. Where do I start?
www.42kl.edu.my is where you need to begin your journey.
So what are you waiting for?
Yeah, I mean, come on. Like
Apply now!
It's so simple. You just have to go online. You can even use your mobile phone, go online, sign up now. But you actually have to take an online test. Now, this test is about 2 hours long. We do recommend you using a laptop or a desktop with a good internet connection. You got to play what? A memory game?
Yes, a memory game for about 4 minutes, and then the rest is a logical test.
Yeah, so if you just go online and do a little bit of research about what a logic game is, what a memory test is, you will be prepared, mentally prepared, and sort of understand what it takes to actually be part of 42KL. It is a revolutionary education system. 0 classes, 0 teachers, 0 tuition fee, but you learn everything that is needed in today's job market. Registration is open, so go online now, www.42kl.edu.my, and sign up, do the online test before the 30th of September to earn a spot in this revolutionary education system. My name is Jeff Sandhu.
And I'm Thila Vijayan.
And we'll see you soon at 42KL here in Sunway City.